Make dinner time more exciting thanks to Savory's chicken teriyaki with red pepper. Grate the ginger. Add sesame oil, crushed garlic, and mix together with the ginger in a bowl. Add the chicken breasts and set covered in the fridge for 15 minutes. Meanwhile, put the soy sauce, mirin, and sugar in a small bowl and stir until the sugar dissolves. Cut the bell peppers and snow peas into strips. Heat a skillet and add the marinated chicken breasts. Cook until browned. Flip the chicken breasts and add half of the soy mixture. Let simmer about 4 minutes. Heat the peanut oil in a wok and sauté the peppers, snow peas, and cabbage until tender, about 4 minutes. Add the remaining soy mixture to the vegetables and stir fry for another 2 minutes. Serve the vegetables and chicken together. That's it! So simple, so delicious. Your own savory chicken teriyaki with red pepper.